The Florida Keys subtropical climate is an ideal breeding ground for mosquitoes. For this reason, Kaylee and Eric requested a bat house to help manage these pests responsibly.
That's gonna work, right?
Looks good.
Nice little bat family could live in there.
I think they're gonna be very happy.
Well, now let me show you what I did here. This is that mesh that they like to hold on to. Now I have it on both sides here too, so I have it on this side as well. And so that goes down there. I've got a roof. This helps keep the weather off of it, right? This will help protect it. This piece right here is important. You want just enough room for that bat to get in there and no critters.
Right.
So they feel safe in there. All right, you wanna put it together?
I do.
All right, let's do it. Voila.
Fantastic.
Could you live in there?
If I were a bat,
If you were a bat.
I have the perfect place to hang it. Up there.
Up there?
All the way up there.
All the way up there?
Yeah, underneath the eave.
That's 20 feet up there. Oh gosh, okay. Are you holding the ladder?
I am.
Okay, how's that look right there?
Looks good. One bat can consume up to 3,000 insects a night. So imagine if we're able to attract even 6 or 7 bats to this beautiful bat house, how much that's going to help them control the pests in their landscape.
Bat houses need to be at least 12 feet high and away from trees, which can hide predators like hawks and owls.
You're shaking a little.
I'm scared. That's why I'm shaking.
On a pole or underneath an eave are common locations for mounting a bat house.
We did it.
All right.
The bat house is up and ready for occupancy.
Visit FloridaFriendlyLandscaping.com to start learning today.